Oh dear, someone is yawning.
Sorry.
Hi guys, I'm with Hailey right now.
Bye,
So,
guys.
Nyek! So, where are we going right now?
The school.
It's cool. And just me and Hailey. So, shall we?
Yay!
Yay! Let's go! So, I'm with Hailey since I'm still looking for a job, so I have time to drop Hailey at school.
Yahoo!
Yahoo!
The others spinning the...
Oh yeah.
What is the name of that?
Which one?
When you're driving it?
Steering wheel.
Do you have two steering wheels?
Two steering wheel?
Yes.
Yeah? I don't have two steering wheel. I only have one.
Me is two over here. You just buy two, right?
Yeah.
Then it's hot.
It's hot? One moment.
Daddy, what is the name of that big bus?
It's a public bus.
I got ladder so you can... Daddy, I want to show you something.
What do you want to show, Daddy?
Daddy, I'm not sure, but that show bus is going to where?
Which one?
Metro.
The Metro bus?
Going to
Where?
I see the picture of Cap over there in the big bus.
Uh-huh. Where?
There in the dairy.
Mm-hmm. So you want to ride in this bus?
We're big
For people, it's okay. You can ride on this bus also.
because I'm big girls now.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to sit upstairs.
Oh yes. Shall we try that one on the weekend?
Here after me.
Okay.
Dad, look at the orange car there.
Where?
Here.
Oh yeah. What is the name of that car?
Orange car.
Orange car. Is it not carrot car? Ah!
Daddy, my bag is over here.
Where?
Here. My bag. Big bag, big bag.
Ladybug. We got 15 minutes to reach school, so still have plenty of time. What are you going to ask Teacher Christy again?
No. Be quiet.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay po, I'll focus on driving, okay? What's that? What are you doing in your nose?
Achoo!
Ngak. Let's go. Behave now.
I see the window.
Yeah. your bus hot?
Yes. Daddy, you need to just. Daddy, where is your broom?
What is it?
Where is your broom?
Broom, broom?
Is it in the ground, like over here?
Yeah.
Can I see?
Wait a second, let me just drive. Are you enjoying your ride?
Yes.
Are you okay? Oh. Are you okay?
Daddy, are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we
Not yet.
there yet?
Not yet. What do you see?
A building,
What do you see?
a car,
What do you see?
a truck,
What do you see?
another building.
Another building. I don't know the lyrics now.
I don't know the lyrics too. Wow! Your car is faster than the other car.
Yeah.
Daddy, more faster.
More faster, no? We have to drive properly. We cannot be so fast in this. So, are you excited? Huh?
Yes, Daddy. Daddy, I want a big car.
You want a pink car? Why do you want a pink car?
Because I don't like the black one.
But you love cup, right?
I didn't love.
Nay!
I love the other.
Cup will be sad.
Okay, sorry, I'm just kidding. Daddy.
Yes po.
Oh,
Oh dear, someone is yawning.
sorry.
One moment, ah. No. So that it will not be hot. What do you see? Tell me what you see while driving in the car. What do you see? A masjid. Where's the masjid? What is it?
I'm being quiet.
Oh, you're being quiet now, so I have to be quiet also. Okay, I have to be quiet now.
Daddy, are we here now?
Yes, we're almost there. In 2 minutes, we are. Oh dear, traffic.
Ouch.
Oh, what happened? What do you see? We're almost here. Oh, what happened? Okay. Let's park the car here now. Okay, let's go.